So I think one interesting thing about synthetic biology is how amazingly quickly it's become a normal thing. So 5 years ago, very few people were talking about synthetic biology. Now, not only is it the sort of thing that scientists are starting to talk about pretty freely, but also it's the sort of thing that undergraduates are involved in. It's become a sort of social project, I guess, as well as a scientific one. And the public debate about synthetic biology has skyrocketed at the same time. So I guess that's why it's an interesting phenomenon.
But I would say what needs to be done is that there needs to be a lot of policy put in place.
Right.
And I think that's where it seems that people are anxious towards GM and like genetically modified, and that it's a lot to do with trust and who has ownership of products, and are we going to create crops that can essentially wipe out anything, so it's not bad for our health to eat GM foods, but it's like potentially has massive consequences.
Well, obviously, harnessing any phenomenon is dangerous. Fire, for example, has great destructive potential, but without fire, I think we would, we couldn't have achieved it, in civilization like we have. So any technology is going to be dangerous. It should be treated with respect.
It's just difficult to define what life is. You look at a bacteria, and it's a collection of chemical groups. And if in isolation, if you took lipids or if you took small pieces of DNA and stuff, people wouldn't have a problem with that. Right. So we need to try and define where is the problem? Where is it coming from? What is okay and what's not okay?